Have you ever wondered what the difference between a plant cell and an animal cell is? Well, today we're going to unravel this biological mystery together. First, imagine a bustling city. Now think of each building, each structure as a different part of a cell. This city is analogous to a cell. The difference between plant and animal cells, however, lies in the structure of these components, or buildings, if you will. Let's start with the outermost layer, the cell wall. Plant cells have a rigid protective cell wall made from cellulose. This wall gives the plant its shape and safeguards against damage. Animal cells, on the other hand, do not have a cell wall. Instead, they have a flexible cell membrane that allows them to change shape easily. Inside these walls and membranes, we find another significant difference: the presence of chloroplasts. These green structures are exclusive to plant cells. They harness the sun's energy and convert it into food through a process called photosynthesis. Animal cells, however, do not have chloroplasts. They obtain their energy from food intake, which is then broken down in the mitochondria. Speaking of mitochondria, both plant and animal cells have these. They are often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell, converting nutrients into energy. However, plant cells have fewer mitochondria than animal cells due to the presence of chloroplasts. Next up, we have the central vacuole. In plant cells, it's a large singular structure that stores water and maintains turgidity. Its size can change depending on the plant's water content, but in animal cells, vacuoles are smaller and more numerous, with varied functions including waste disposal and nutrient storage. Lastly, let's touch upon centrioles. These are small cylindrical structures involved in cell division. They are present in most animal cells, but are generally absent in most plant cells. In summary, the key differences between plant and animal cells lie in the cell wall, chloroplasts, the number of mitochondria, the structure of vacuoles, and the presence of centrioles. Remember, plant cells have a rigid cell wall, chloroplasts for photosynthesis, fewer mitochondria, a large central vacuole, and no centrioles. In contrast, animal cells have no cell wall, lack chloroplasts, have more mitochondria, smaller and numerous vacuoles, and contain centrioles. So, the next time you look at a leafy green plant or a furry little animal, remember that their cells, while similar in many ways, have distinct differences that make each unique. It's these variations that allow for the diverse life forms we see around us. Isn't biology fascinating?